In this video, I'm going to show you how to track equity in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money's equity tracking feature lets you track things like RSUs, ISOs, and other stock grants, including vesting schedules, without affecting your net worth until they're fully vested. To set this up, go to Accounts, then click Add Account and choose Equity or a manual investment account. Enter your grant details like company or stock ticker, grant date, number of shares, and vesting schedule, for example, a yearly vesting plan. Once added, you'll be able to see your vesting timeline, including how many shares are vested and unvested. The value updates automatically based on the stock price, giving you a clear view of your equity over time. Unvested equity is excluded from your net worth by default, which keeps your financial overview more accurate. After shares vest, you can track any sales by syncing your brokerage account or adding transactions manually, then categorizing them as income if needed. You can also monitor your equity performance in the Reports section under Investments. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.